Chlorella is absolutely one of my favorite. This is matcha green tea. That's not chlorella. Chlorella, this is ashwagandha. Where's the chlorella? If you've ever been to Whole Foods with me, then you know I'm the guy that's obsessed with superfoods. I'm the weird dude that smells like essential oils and has a cart full of foods that most people have never even heard of. True story. Last time I was in Whole Foods over in Hillcrest, 3 women called me over and they're like, hey, what are you talking about? I was actually telling them what I was looking for to increase my body's electromagnetic field through high-vibing food. Seriously. Now how weird is that? I'm a self-proclaimed nerd and I'm proud of it. But there's a method to my madness though. And I want to share my secrets with you in this Saturday strategy, and I'm going to show you 11 of my favorite superfoods and how you can get them naturally within 30 seconds a day. Let's do this. Number 1 is chlorella. It's a good source of protein, fats, carbohydrates, fiber, chlorophyll, vitamins, and minerals. I take it every day. If I'm feeling down, you know you're the type of person that has to have caffeine all the time, chlorella will help you bounce back with energy. Number 2 is moringa leaf. You've heard me talk about this before. Absolutely love it. A University of Allahabad study showed that it can actually help with blood sugar levels up to 29%. And also, if you know anybody that's dealing with cancer, the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute showed that it's effective at getting rid of 93% of lung cancer cells. This stuff, Mother Nature knows better than anybody else, right? Number 3 is spirulina. Some people say spirulina, some people say spirulina if you're from the South. I say spirulina, but I'm actually from Michigan. So love this stuff. Some health companies have built entire product lines based on this one thing. I love it because it's neuroprotective. It helps with Alzheimer's disease, and it's 4 times the antioxidants of blueberries, which is absolutely amazing. When I take it, I feel like this cleansing is happening. My dreams enhance. I'm able to have more dreams at night and stuff, and that's because it's great for detoxing your pineal gland, the gateway to that higher self that I know you're looking for, my friend. Number 4 is mint. Mint is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna have a little bit right now. Antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-tumor, anti-allergenic, and antioxidant properties. Number 5, matcha green tea. Love this stuff. It's got L-theanine in it, which is actually a nootropic, right? Everybody's freaking out about this movie Limitless. Everybody wants to expand their consciousness. They want to be quicker. They want to be smarter. L-theanine and matcha can help with that. It's also in our Organifi green juice, which we're going to get to in a second. Number 6 is wheatgrass. Consuming 1 ounce of wheatgrass a day is equivalent to eating 2 pounds of greens. Number 7 is ashwagandha. You've heard me talk about ashwagandha in the past. It's been shown to lower anxiety. It's been shown to lower stress. And it also helps with the side effects of depression as well. It's one of the only things on the planet that helps with neurogenesis, the formation of new brain cells. Number 8 is turmeric. Studies suggest it is superior to actual Prozac. Can you believe that? In treating depression and like 22 other things. Turmeric is basically good for everything. Number 9 is lemon. When we look in the lemon, this peel on the outside is one of the only things, this oil from this peel, one of the only thing that actually helps with phase 2 liver detoxification, right? And that's what pushes all those things out of your body. That's what helps you detoxify. That's why I love lemons. When I juice it, I make sure they're organic, and I juice the peel as well. Number 10 is beets. Beets boost stamina. A study showed that athletes, I believe they were triathletes, could go 30% longer when they just drink a liter of beet juice before. So love beets, nitric oxide production, which is important for anti-aging, as you know. Number 11 is monk fruit. Monk fruit is 170 times sweeter than sugar, and it's also a powerful anti-allergenic. Monk fruit is. Who would have thought? Monk fruit. Those are the 11 things. And just so you know, if you're looking for that extra boost in life, if you're wanting more energy, if you're wanting to combat any challenge of disease or illness that you have, I highly would recommend adding these 11 things into your diet. If you were to add all of these things up, it'd be pretty expensive, right? I mean, we're talking $300 a month for all this stuff. So a way to get all of this stuff in the highest, purest form from an organic level. The FitLife team and I have spent so much time working on this. All the testing we've done on this, we're actually doing clinical tests on it right now, and it promotes neurogenesis. We're gonna find out all this information from this, and I want you to have it. If you haven't ordered it yet, make sure you order it now. I'll show you this. It actually mixes so well. Unlike a lot of green powders that are out there, some of these greens that you mix up, because there's clunks in it. So as you can see, it's already mixed up. Drink this once or twice a day. Tastes great. It's not gritty at all. You're gonna love it. And if you do love it, if you're taking it, leave a comment below this video. Let me know what it's doing for you, because I love the testimonials that we have coming in. All of the 5-star Amazon reviews that we're getting from this. It just shows that when you put your passion, your heart's purpose, your desire, and your intention out in the world to truly bless and impact people on a really deep level, goodness comes back to you. So keep up the good work. Thanks for spending the time with me on this Saturday Strategy. I'm Drew Canoli. As always, remember, we're in this together. I'll see you soon.